guys! I'm so excited to share with all of you. I got featured on the cover of the Ambassador magazine, a beautiful initiative undertaken by Global Goodwill Ambassadors Foundation. Check that out! Isn't that amazing? I feel so proud of it to be up there. GGA is constantly in the process of showcasing the work of people, whatever contributions they are doing to create a better society. I'm so happy and blessed that I became a GGA few years ago. Little did I know that I'm going to be doing so many meaningful projects with them. It's an amazing family where we are all connected to do something, whether it is social, whether it is financial, whether it is education, anything and everything. All different kinds of projects are being discussed with the global board, and then we come together to see how we can fit in and how we can contribute in our own significant ways. Rome was not built in a day, and so are all these initiatives. It takes a lot of effort, time, and energy to make these projects come to reality. GGA is all about meaningful collaborations with people, with industry, with NGOs all over the world to make it happen. Not just think, not just write, but implement as well. I'm so happy that we have been doing so many things together with different initiatives, and each initiative is creating and helping thousands of people all over the world. A big shout out to Richard and Lisa, especially as being the torchbearers of the GGA Humanitarian Army, leading across the world so many GGAs who are contributing in their meaningful ways. I'm so happy that they have taken the initiative and yet giving light to other people as well to come up with their initiatives and lead together. I've been very fortunate to be part of the family and contributing in the GGA Learning Institute as one of the main instructors, following and highlighting emotional intelligence as well as women empowerment. And so are so many other great educators who are contributing in GGA Learning Institute. I'm so happy that soon we'll be starting with GGA Spotlight, where I'm going to be taking interviews of people, a GGA for a particular month, highlighting their story, what they are doing, and how they are creating an impact in the world. How GGA has helped them, how after becoming a GGA, he or she definitely did something more concrete with double the force of all the people together. So I appeal all of you, if you are interested to do something for the betterment of the world, come together. Join Global Goodwill Ambassadors Foundation and work with us, contribute, and just give your best. I'm going to be sharing the link of the magazine. Grab the magazine, the link is right here below. Grab the magazine and read inspirational projects, inspirational stories, and all wonderful things people are doing across. So don't delay. Come together. It's the call for action. Give your best shot, and you are ready to create an impact. I wish you all the best.